Sugar dum dum, sugar dum dum.
We go control.
Shiggity dum dum, shiggity dum dum.
You did get got.
Ain't no.
I'm coming upstairs in this area. Coming upstairs. Oh, shit.
Bro.
I'm going to the Hey, we got loadout money.
Yeah, yellow. Where yellow at? I had to go all the way up dock.
And I got double.
Let's see how much a loadout is. 1,500 in here?
15.
I'm so bad!
Yeah, 15,000, you right. Damn. Hey, yellow.
What?
You
Need my money, I'm coming in right now, sir. 052
I
coming in.
bet.
Right there.
Appreciate it. Kids
One is
landing
on top. Control.
Two of them.
Another
Nah, there's not.
And he thinks you all, bro. Got one sniper right here.
I seen him. Damn.
Copy that. Moving in with you.
Good shit. Where they teammates said this shit though.
They ran there over here. They're going to 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven?
Yeah.
In the store.
Well, a 7-Eleven. Oh, you talking about the gas station right there? Okay, though.
Yeah.
The little convenience store. Where's kids?
One is in control. Go back to control, bro. Why are we
I
going
cracked
here?
him and hit him a few times. Like, yo.
Shit.
Hey, I cracked him too.
Yo, you
That
down.
boy knocked.
There's one
That
in
boy
the
knocked. That boy knocked. You good? You good? That boy knocked.
one in-
And there's
there's one
another
in,
on the roof
in the
shooting.
window.
I don't know what the hell he's trying to throw, but it ain't working. Nah, we coming for that ass.
Yeah, he on top. He come to you, Blue.
He's won. Yeah, but can't rush with a low gun. Shit.
Nice, nice. One is
I
right
got
here.
another one coming. Yeah, I got another one coming right here. Coming right here.
It's on us.
Got you, bro.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got a UAV up. UAV up. There's kids to our left. There's kids pushing from everywhere. We gotta stay on top of this shit.
Hello.
Crack.
Oh. Shit, I'm on my way.
Oh!
Watch this shit real quick. Yeah. I'm down the street.
No, he's a G.
I could turn my sensitivity up.
Yeah, I'm using 2.06. Pretty nice.
They all on the roof. They weird.
Nah, they ain't just on the roof. They up there. It's the whole team up there.
Nah, niggas sitting on loadout. Oh, he jumped off.
What the fuck? This glitching ass shit is crazy.
He's cracked. Oh my god, I almost killed 2 with a pistol. Y'all are buns.
You got people
Type
like
shit.
right. Blue.
Alright, I'm in the road.
Damn, what the fuck is this?
Still on top. I don't need to mark that. I don't know why I keep doing that shit.
Damn, I seen it.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What's up?
Enemy UAV overhead.
What's up,
He's
bro?
sending-
Oh shit! I just got jumped.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Buy station prices have been reduced.
They hounded me just then. I tried to jump off.
Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the air. Your squad mates back on
Trying to shoot me out the air.
Get ready.
Shit ain't working.
You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
What the loadout looking like on top?
There's people on top.
Yeah, he got me too. You said that shit a little too late, too.
Yeah, I'm cutting up, y'all.
Hostile
Let me
UAV
see
in
if I
the
can real
area.
quick.
Enemy UAV is on.
Nah, that shit buns. Ooh.
What the fuck? Get the fuck out of the loadout, pussy.
Fire sales done. Go back to normal.
Oh, they down there too.
Is they still on control too? Yep, they still on control.
Nice.
What the hell, bro? I'm missing all my shots. Damn.
Yeah, I thought you got that.
Stand by for redeployment. Be advised, the fortress is no longer active. This is repeat. Contract failed. Objective lost. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
Moving to the loadout.
Your squad
I'm
mates
probably,
agreed
I'm
upon
finna drop
it.
over
Well
there.
done.
I'm gonna see
Hostile
if I can get
UAV
my
in the
shit.
area.
If there ain't nobody over there.
Enemy UAV is
'Cause ain't
online.
nobody.
Oh, they came back up. They came back up.
God damn, my shit won't move fast.
Still have squad mates
I'm
outside
finna
the
get my
safe
ass
zone.
off this bitch for the day. Gotta go to work.
Like,
Evidence has been deactivated.
I literally
This is
just
the end
got
game.
jumped from both angles too. Oh, see, it's two different teams. They over here fighting each other now.
Fuck!
So you sacrifice
All
yourself. You ain't
bounty
got no
targets
stems either.
destroyed. Hell of a job.
Can't be doing that. You ain't got no stems.
I'm done. Requesting assistance.
It's alright, man. Sacrifice.
5 squads still operational in the AO.
Hello? Yeah, I feel like we get somebody back.
Shit went to the 7-Eleven, my boy.
Gas is closing in.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, you can get one person back.
No, you did. Oh, shit.
10 remain. You're almost done here.
My fucking leg, bro. Nah, this is
Still getting by, still getting by.
Bring home the win.
Woo! That's a good sacrifice, good. There's only one
Yes,
team
sir.
left, only one team left.
They fighting, they fighting, they fighting.
That's the only team left.
Last one.
Frick, frick, frick. Right here, right here, right here. That's the last one. Last two, last two. Beat me up, bro. Fuck that. It's right here, right here. Why you run? What the
Ain't nothing
fuck?
I can do, bro. They can't kill me.
Only one motherfucker, bro. You a pussy ass motherfucker, bro. I ain't gonna
Bro,
lie
what
to
you talking about? A nigga full
Pussy
fucking
ass.
shield. I
What
got
the
no
fuck?
HP, bro. What you talking about? I done say.
Go, why the fuck you run, Jay? That's the funniest shit ever. Oh my god, bro. This. Alright, again, let's see, man. There it is.
This is Shadow 01. Deployment. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy UAV overhead. You have reinforcements inbound. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
UAV available for testing. Taco, get me a UAV.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. Enemy UAV is online. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
UAV is
We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Down. Marking the rest of them.
We're almost there.
Enemy soldier incoming. Get to the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Enemies are dropping into the area.
I'm
Watch
safe.
the
Somebody
skies.
can come and get me. I'm safe.
Loadout drop headed your way. Go get your revenge. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Hostiles have established a SAM turret. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy airstrike in the area. Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind. Enemy UAV overhead.
Spotted. That's no good.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Yes. Walang yun, man.
There are 24 enemies active. Kill them all. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Time to leave. You're redeploying. The squad mates back on station.
That was so long, man.
You're down one squad mate. We'll get you redeployed faster. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six. Get ready. You're redeploying. closing in. Additional target added while time remains. Hostile UAV in the area. Fire sales over, adjusting prices. Couple of contracts out there have increased payouts. Get to them first to cash out. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad is redeployed. All bounty targets are KIA. Resurgence is closed. No more second chances. Contract's worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier. Enemy soldier incoming.
One enemy.
Your squad mate's back on station.
Walang kian juga nalar.
Losing ground, move it.
Masih.
What is that?
Enemies dropping into the area.
Incoming fire.
Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone.
Cool.
Resurgence. Stay Stay alive to keep the squad in line.
This.
Hey, yo, Bobo.
Where we going?
I see. Yo, over
Stronghold.
here.
Stronghold.
Stronghold.
Oh, bet.
We dropped it in.
No, I'm talking to the enemy team, bro. The fuck?
Did
Let's
anybody
go.
land here?
I
think so.
didn't see anybody land over here. I'm
Yeah.
gonna buy loadout real quick.
So,
Enemy team, stop talking to us like you're in our team, bro. You didn't realize you're talking to fucking proximity chat.
Yeah, we got loadout.
There's somebody in the water right there.
Pin it, please.
Already did. You see him?
Oh yeah, that's. Damn, that's a.
Someone else over
long
there?
Oh, had I... What? Ain't no way I missed.
Come on, let's fire a loadout or something, bro.
Alright, bet.
I bought loadout up top.
On top of what?
Oh shit,
Oh,
I
this
downed him.
Up top,
This man got
my
loadout.
Yeah, I downed the guy over there.
This man got loadout far away. Where's that balloon? Goddamn, cut that loadout miles away.
Well, I thought y'all were gonna land.
Here you
there.
go, bro.
I was already buying loadout when y'all were hitting the ground.
Here you go, bro. Hey, 370, 370. Here you go, bro.
Gas is inbound. Enemy UAV is online.
Oh, there's a fucking balloon thing. Oh shit.
He's getting cracked, bro. He's getting cracked, bro.
Where's he
He's
at?
cracked,
On the
bro.
roof?
He was
Nah,
on
right
the
here.
roof, yeah.
Can you buy a loadie, bro? 370. Yeah, respect, bro.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh shit. I need help.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh,
Help me.
shit. Where you at, bro?
I'm up here.
He said, "Help me!"
Ah, we coming.
Yeah.
We coming.
Yo, we coming.
We coming, fam.
There's two teams here.
I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm up top. I'm up top.
There's a big bag of money right there. There's a fuckload of money. I'm getting it. My money now, bitch.
Bro, they low up there, bro. They low.
I'm finna get another loadout.
Yo, you got one on the roof right above you, purple. It's two straight ahead.
Bro, that nigga low up here, bro. Bro, nigga sniping me from everywhere. Hold on. Let me get inside. I'm gonna go get that nigga, bro. He weak as fuck. Hold on. Up here. Up there, bro. close together.
Somebody's up here with me. 2 of them in here. Fucking pussies. What the fuck? Y'all gonna run in 2 deep? What the fuck?
Oh shit!
Oh damn.
Holy shit.
Damn.
For John to seek you out there and give you the ball, what is that like? Not only that small sort of
in 25 minutes. Keep up the good work. Your squad- You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Enemy UAV is online. Soldier in. Enemy loadout drops on the way. Get ready to redeploy.
Moving.
To the front. Earn this. You have reinforcements inbound. Kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your pack map. Get hunted. To the safe zone. Leave no one behind. Additional target added. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Precision airstrike standing by.
LDBR awaiting targeting data.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Priority tasking request received. We're done.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
It will be fired. Area.
Enemy UAV is online. All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job. Closing in. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal. Time for vengeance. We're redeploying. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.